Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by signing into Google and creating a new site. This gets hosting and storage ready immediately. Once done, pick a template if you want structure, otherwise choose blank to build freely. Make sure to name the site clearly because that drives your URL and navigation labels. Also, check sharing and visibility now so you avoid republishing later. Connecting Drive folders up front speeds asset insertion. Start adding a header and one content section to establish the site's layout before moving deeper. Now you'll populate pages and structure the site so visitors find information fast. Use the Insert panel to drop text, images, and embeds. Pulling docs or sheets links maintains live updates. Create a logical page hierarchy, home, about, contact, and add subpages for services or projects, because clear structure improves usability and SEO. Customize each section's layout and background to guide attention, and set site-wide fonts and colors to keep consistency. As you progress, when you're ready, publish the site by choosing an address and confirming visibility settings. You can add a custom domain later. After publishing, test the entire site on desktop and mobile and click every link to catch broken paths or missing embeds. Fixing those improves credibility and user experience. If something goes wrong, use version history to revert recent edits and check share permissions for access issues. Finally, republish after corrections. Continuous small updates keep content current and search-friendly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.